Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Roku remote won't pair. First, remove the power cable from your streaming device. Wait at least 3 to 5 minutes. Reconnect the power cable. Wait for your streaming device to power on, and the home screen to appear on your TV screen. Try using the remote and see if it works. If doesn't work, then try put your remote in pairing mode. If your remote has a pairing button, press and hold the pairing button. If your remote does not have a pairing button, then you need press and hold both the home button and back button. At this time you will see the status light begin to flash. Keep holding them until the status light turns off or until the pairing dialog appears on your TV screen. And now you can use my remote to set up Roku TV. In case the status light does not flash, try replacing the batteries. Then repeat previous steps. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.